Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nirja Parekh, and in this video we are going to talk about the certain tips for the students who are currently preparing for their CLAT exam. And if you don't know what CLAT exam means, I have already made a video on it. So go watch that video and watch this video afterwards, so you will get the better idea of it. And without wasting much time, let's start this video. First thing is knowing the CLAT 2021 exam pattern. Now remember this, whenever you are preparing for any kind of competitive exam or any kind of entrance exam, you should know what the exam pattern is. Last year in 2020, CLAT changed certain things, like there will be the higher number of comprehension based questions, and they have also reduced the questions from 200 to 150. So these are the changes which CLAT have done last year, and other than that there are no changes. The exam mode will be the same, which was paper based, and the language, which is English. Exam duration will be 2 hours and the exam time will be 2 to 4 p.m. Now other than that there are no changes. So if you want to know more, then you can go on their official website, which is clat.in, and you can know more about this exam pattern. So be clear. Moving forward to the second thing, which is the know your subjects first. Now whenever you are preparing for any kind of entrance exam or any kind of competitive exam, you should know what are the subjects. Once you get to know the subject, you will get the proper understanding of those subjects and you can start your preparations accordingly. I have already made a video on it, so you can go check it out. I have already explained what are the subjects for the CLAT 2021 and what are their weightage. So know your subject and start preparation for CLAT 2021. Now third thing is regarding the books. Many students make mistake in choosing the books for each subject. They start reading 3 or 4 books for each subject, and afterward they will get confused that what are the books I should refer at the last moment. So don't do that ever. Stick to 1 or 2 book max for the each subject and read that book thoroughly for the last moment till you give your CLAT exam, and stick to that and you will get your results accordingly. And it is beneficial because read one book with the quality writing and don't go for so many books which have nothing to give you. So don't do that ever. Now I am going to give certain suggestions for the books that you should refer to for your CLAT exam 2021. First is the Objective General English by the R.S. Agrawal. Second is Yearbook 2021 by Manorama. Third is Class 10 Mathematics books by NCERT. 4 is 30 Days Wonder for the Mathematics by the S. Chunds. And the last is Legal Awareness and Legal Reasoning by the A.P. Agrawal. I am also going to name the certain books for the preparation of 2021 CLAT exam. First is the Self-Study Guide CLAT 2021 by the Arihant Experts. And the second is CLAT 2021 Grand Masters Box by the Legal Age Tutorials. So this is the third thing that you should keep in mind whenever you are preparing for the CLAT 2021 exam. Don't read too many books, but read quality books. Moving forward to the fourth thing, which is attempting the CLAT 2020 question papers and giving the mock test. Now you are a student, you know that whenever you are going to give the board exam, you should also going to refer the old question papers, and you also give the mock test, because it is important. When you give the mock test, you will get to know the questions which they are going to ask you. So same applies to the CLAT 2021 too. It will help you to enhance the test taking skills of yours, and it will definitely going to help you in the official CLAT exam, because you will get the clear idea what are the questions which CLAT is going to ask you in the exam. And experts also say that once you give the mock test 3 or 4 times in a week, it will definitely help you to crack the CLAT exam. Also, once you give the mock test, it will give you the analysis of your preparations. You come to know that what are the subjects you should give more attention to and what are your weak points, so you can make it strong and crack your CLAT exam easily. So focus on the key areas by giving the mock test for the CLAT 2021 exam. Last but not the least is to maintain the separate notebook for each section, and also to make the short note while you are studying for the CLAT 2021 exam. It is definitely advisable to do this, because whenever you want to refer or revise the certain topics a day before to your CLAT exam, it is going to help you and there will be no confusion. So do this and you will definitely going to crack the CLAT exam 2021. Lastly, keep the habit of reading the reputed newspapers like Hindu because it is going to help you in the comprehension section of your CLAT exam. Eat good food and get enough sleep because you have to keep focused on your studies. And lastly, don't procrastinate, work hard for your goal and you will able to crack the CLAT exam easily. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends who are currently preparing for the CLAT exam 2021. And I will see you soon with another new video. So keep your notification bell on so you will get the notification whenever I am going to post my new video. Thank you for watching.